I'm gonna now show you how to install and remove the distributor. Obviously it's already removed. This right here is a new one. I'm replacing everything: cap, rotor, distributor. There is a special procedure how to do this. I'm only finding this out now after taking the engine apart, but pretty much here's how it goes. We're gonna go to the engine here. So what they want you to, let's get some light up in here. What they want you to do is turn the engine, of course. Turn the engine. You're gonna get the cam lobe facing up. They want you at top dead center compression, TDC compression. So yeah, when you remove the oil cap and you see the cam, not low, but the nose facing up, that means it's at top dead center compression. So this is how the crank looks like. Here's the mark right here. So what they want you to do when this is all done, when it's at TDC compression, they want you to turn it counterclockwise right here between 10 degrees and 40 degrees. But I'm just gonna put this counterclockwise to 0, and then from there you can remove the distributor. Same thing goes for installing it. You just kind of have to do everything in reverse. So make sure this is at cam lobe is facing upward, and then you turn it back counterclockwise to 0 degrees right here, and then you can install your distributor. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the crank and all that thing. So right now I just turned it to counterclockwise to 0 degrees, or not 0 degrees, but 0 mark. So right now this would be the time to install the distributor. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's the new distributor right here. They want you to clock it. What that means is here's the mark and here's the drilled mark. So you want to line these up. There's other holes here too, but that's for the pin. So as you can see that the pin goes through there, and there's only 3 holes on this distributor. There's only 3. So what you want to do is that mark, line it up, and then install the distributor. But of course, before you do that, you want to lube the O-ring right here. I lubed the gear too, just for the sake of it. It didn't say to lube the gear, but I did anyway. Again, guys, this is from the book. You see that right there. Go ahead, pause the screen if you need to. So yeah, this is the installation of the distributor. The removal was the same procedure. So we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. So right here I am, straight in, and let's see. Hopefully this will go. There we are. That's it. I didn't have to turn it or anything. So from there we will get our new nut bolt here, and brand new. We're gonna lightly tighten it, hand tight. Yeah, setting timing. This if you guys know how distributors work, you kind of set the timing by moving the distributor. That's why they give you like these gaps right here, because you can move it. That's gonna be another video, setting timing, but I just want to show you the procedures, how to install a distributor. When I first was taking apart the engine, I didn't even pay attention. I was just removing everything bolt by bolt. But yeah, quick review, guys. So make sure your cam lobe, you could see it, well, you can't see it now, but make sure it is the cam nose, excuse me, the cam nose is facing up. That means it's at top dead center. And then your crank mark should be right over here. And then when it's over here, you're gonna go counterclockwise to 0. So right now it's at 0 right there. You're gonna go to 0, and then you're going to either remove or install the distributor. And from there, your distributor is installed, but then that is only part 1. Timing, ignition timing, that is another part. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick video of how to remove and install the distributor, of course on the 7M-GE non-turbo. All right. Oh, and another thing too, guys, if you're wondering how your rotor is supposed to look, distributor, so this is how it is. You know, facing right there, touching, oh, not touching, but you get it, what I'm trying to say. Still at 0. So yeah, just a little quick one that I forgot to put in. Let's see right here. There you go, just like the book, just the facing up. We're gonna go back to the book here. Yep, just like the book, just like the book. All right.